Regrouping from hundreds to tens. Let us subtract 471 from 523. Write the given numbers in columns as shown. Step 1. Subtract the ones. 3 ones minus 1 1 is equal to 2 ones. Write 2 under the ones column. Step 2. Subtract the tens. Since 2 is smaller than 7, we cannot subtract it. So, borrow 100 from the hundreds column. 100 plus 2 tens is equal to 12 tens. Now, 12 tens minus 7 tens is equal to 5 tens. Write 5 under the tens column. Step 3. Subtract the hundreds. After borrowing, we are left with 4 hundreds. So, 4 hundreds minus 4 hundreds is equal to 0 hundreds. Write 0 under the hundreds column. Thus, 523 minus 471 is equal to 52.